In this video, we listed the 5 best garden tools sets that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done. Let's dive into the video. Starting at number 1. iGarden Garden Tools Set. This set comprises of 3 tools to give you an easy gardening time. The tools include a lopper, a hedge shear, and a bypass pruner. This pruner comes with ergonomically designed handles for an easy operating time. The ease of operation of these tools can be attributed to the carbon steel blades which cut in a smooth manner. The tools are built to last since they are resistant to rust. If you are looking for tools that are comfortable to use, these are the tools to look for. At number 2. Vremi Garden Tool Sets. This is an essential tool set that comes with 9 tools plus some waterproof gloves, and all these tools are easily transported in a tote bag. These tools have been made using a rust-resistant aluminum material to guarantee their durability. The bag not only stores the tools but it also organizes them in an orderly manner. You will also realize that the tools have been rubberized on the handles to give you a comfortable grip. At number 3. Finnhommy Garden Tools Set. On the 6th position in these reviews, we get this amazing garden tool set that can be offered as a gift to the gardening enthusiasts. The tools come packed in a multi-use storage bag, which also makes the carrying of these tools very easy. The bag can be detached from the stool and can be washed with ease. The set, as we have hinted above, is that it comes with a sturdy and foldable stool where the seat pad features a durable canvas material. At number 4. Ukoke Garden Tools. This is another garden tool set that you do not want to miss for sure. The blades have been made with aluminum material which can be sharpened with ease to give you the sharpness you desire. The handles have been ergonomically designed to give you a comfortable grip. The set similarly comes with a waterproof apron and a kneeling pad to give you ultimate comfort. The set also comes with a replacement warranty for 1 year. At number 5. Sleek Garden Tools Set. With this set, you are going to garden like a pro, since the tools are not only fun to use but they also are ready to use anytime. The pruner technology employed by this set is going to make sure that cutting will be easy. The tools are light enough such that you won't feel fatigued as you work. If you are looking to prevent hand cramps, you need a comfortable grip, and that will be got from these tools. You will be in a position to have a risk-free purchase. If you want to buy these products, check the link in the description box.